I guess every angler's got their favorite bait, their go-to, the one that they depend on most. To me, it's pretty simple. It's a brown and green jig. It's a 3/8 ounce ball and out jig by Buckeye. It's a pretty simple format. You want the weed guard strong enough that the bait don't hang all the time, and that's exactly what I'm looking for in this bait. It's a little heavier weed guard. It's a short shank gummy hook. It's got plenty of strength. The color is that deep, rich brown. No matter where I go, it works. Favorite trailer for it, the Zoom Z-Crawl Jr. I bite a little bit of it off. I've got a small compact bait, so it's a brown jig, green pumpkin trailer. What this enables me to do, I get bites. Get bites. If you get bites, you staying in the game. As long as your mind's in the game, you got a chance to win and be strong and be competitive. So next time you're out, you want to know what my favorite bait is and try it, check it out. It's the brown ball and out jig, 3/8 ounce. Favorite trailer, Zoom, green pumpkin, Z-Crawl Jr.